Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This is absolutely instant because all you got to do is put it in water, hot water. This is Noodle Revolution, and this is made completely from egg whites, folks. It's a vermicelli, and you basically just heat it up and drain it, and you're done. It's cooked egg whites. I mean, what more? Yeah. I hope I didn't get rid of the package from that one. I don't think I did. Did I? No, it's around here somewhere. Okay. But, so what I'm gonna do is give it a... So the last one of this brand that I did, I made a, I put it with a tonkatsu broth. And this one I'm going to put with a Malaysian, come on, there you go, a Malaysian thing called Hiam that comes by way of a company called Homia, and they make some neato stuff. And yeah, so here it is. It's a egg white vermicelli. So trippy. I mean, you've heard of egg noodles before, but these truly are. They're not egg and wheat flour, it's just egg. And that's it, you just need to heat them up. So we got that. And we are going to drain it. And then we're going to add our stuff to it, give it a stir, and that's about it. So here is our noodle. Come on. That's a little better. We're going to use some of this amazing love sludge. Hiam is a Malaysian thing. It's shrimp and all sorts of oil and good stuff. Oh wow, that's extra sludgy. Holy cow. I'm gonna add a big old glop of it to it. God. And we're just gonna kind of combine. I will say it's kind of a tricky thing to combine with any kind of noodle, I've found. But it really does a lot for the flavor. I might just have to add some of the straight oil to this. I like the sludgy stuff. The oil is very good too. Whoa. What I'm surprised about is how I would have expected this stuff to be so brittle and weak, and it really isn't. It does tend to hold its own. Okay, I think that's about as good as I can do with that. Let's just try it like this. Egg noodle. Like, this is egg whites. Mouth feels good. Nice mouth feel. Are they chewy? No. I mean, are egg whites chewy? Not so much. But would you want chewy egg whites? I mean, I'm guessing you could... I don't know what would happen if you tried to fry these up. I don't know that it would be anything good. I mean, think about it. I guess if you fried them for a bit, it'd make them a little rubbery. If that's what you're looking for, is a rubbery egg experience. But these really are not that at the outset, I will say that much. I think we will... Oh, come on. Behave. We'll add an egg. I think over here we'll add a little bit more of this, if we have much more. That was my last scallion, folks. My very last scallion. And there we go. A little crushed red pepper. And a wee bit. That is a scientific amount, the wee bit. Of sesame seeds. I'm gonna call it good. I wish I had more greenery to go with it, because I think that would set it off a little more, but it's kind of what I gotta work with what I got. So. But yeah. They're made of eggs! They're made of eggs! Oh my god, they're made of eggs. Well, this has been fun. I was not planning on doing any reviewing today, and here I am. I've done 2 reviews in like about 20 minutes, because this stuff, you don't have to really cook it. So, nice. Anyways, that's it for me. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Check out puretraditionsfoods.com. Or is it Pure Tradition Foods? Pure Traditions Foods. Pure Traditions plural, foods plural.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.